What is going on, guys? Colin with Victory. Check out this 2022 River Rock Wagoneer Series 3. Now, this guy's going to be loaded up for you. Does have those running boards on there already, which is kind of nice. And those beautiful, bigger wheels with the black accents. Looks great as far as the River Rock goes. Now, you do get the painted mirror caps as well. This one does have the 360 camera, as you can see right there. And right here, notice the 7-slot GPRO. That's going to be your proximity key. And yep, I just locked the car, which is pretty cool. But this one does have equipped with wheel locks and GPS already for you, because this one is expensive. You are going to want to protect that investment. And of course, rear parking sensors in the back and power lift gate as well. Now this one has enough room to get the family there, and you're going to arrive in style. Full 3-row on this bad chicken as everything kind of blows around. You do have your nice subwoofer back in here, your power lift gate button to close your door, and coming over here on the right hand side, all your power seat adjustments, which is kind of nice there. Of course, they will fold down by the click of a button. You can adjust those guys right here on the side, right over here, as you can kind of see, 2 USBs, and then you do have that switch right there to go ahead and recline your seat back, do all those goodies there. You do get those additional D-rings in the back should you need to tie anything down there. Can't forget about that. But we'll close this on up. Now this one does have remote start equipped with it, which is a everyday feature that I do use and love, especially right now in the winter time. Second row captain's chairs in here, full leather interior as well, of course. Now one thing I do want to point out, right over here, tucked down back in there, you can see you do have your adjustment for your third row to go ahead and power fold those up. Now one thing you do get in the Wagoneer, on the back hand side, you do get the climate adjustment plus second row captain's chairs with heated seats. I know I already said I got captain's chairs, but they are heated, which is nice. 2 USBs, 2 type C's, 1 15-volt and a 12-volt back in there as well. Now this one does have the Alpine system equipped and for sunshade. Up on front here, blind spot monitoring system. Of course, and LED headlights. There's your forward facing camera. And let's climb on in and start this one up. Of course, power plant on this guy, 5.7 Hemi. And of course your mirror adjustment down below. And of course your memory seats right there. Power driver seat. Scoot that back. I'm 6'3", so I'm gonna have to crank this guy back. I do love that this one has the full floor console in there. I do like that. And of course, up top here, as you guys can kind of see, you do have power adjustment for your headrest as well. But let me climb on in here. Now, left side, you do have the power adjustable pedals right next to your light switch. Let me climbing on in. Let's let that Hemi purr. Now, one thing I do like, right here on the steering wheel, left hand side, all your in-dash cluster adjustment there. Now, right hand side, you are going to have all your cruise control settings. This one does come with the adaptive cruise as standard, and then regular cruise is right there. Now on the left hand side, I did miss something. Your voice recognition software now is the hold of a green, your accept call there, and your reject call. And then right here, much like your iPhone, old iPhone anyway, that's your home button to pull up all your widgets up here in your instrument cluster, excuse me. Now I do have it set up with the navigation right there. This one does have factory TomTom navigation equipped in this one, and 10.1 inch radio display over here. Heated seats, heated wheel. I kicked those guys on. Sorry, Beyonce, I'm gonna turn you down a little bit. I do love Beyonce though. Of course, there's that factory nav with TomTom. Cannot forget about it. Heck yeah, I like that there. Boom, boom, boom. Vehicle, climbing in. Third row headrest, power fold. Can't miss that one, guys. And then and surround view camera. One of my favorite features about this one, left-hand side is your bird's eye view, right-hand side gives you out the front, out the back, straight out the front, straight out the back, right there. And zoom function, because this thing's got a Hemi. You might pull a boat, trailer, whatever you need there. I like all those. All right, let's see. Oh, dang. You guys, I missed a great feature on this one. Passenger interactive display. Now, one thing that Jeep started doing with these ones is your interactive display here, which is a little bit different. You can run your navigation over there, all your co-pilot settings right there for you. Now, climbing on up, guys. That's down. We're going up. There's my ugly self in the mirror there. Now up top here, you do have your SOS button, your assist for Uconnect should you have any problems with that, your power lift gate, and your sunglass holder. Can't miss it. Hey, looky there, there's me and my new camera gear. Yes, I am exploring with a new set of camera equipment today. Not just the phone, we're using some other stuff too. Now climbing down below, right, going left to right here, of course you can mute your radio, your start-stop technology, you can turn that off. Lane keep assist as well, you can keep that on, turn it off, however you want to do it. Of course, those parking sensors we can turn on, tow haul mode, and our interactive display we can turn off with the push of a button right down below here. Now, another one I wanted to go over, the P with the steering wheel. That is your auto park. Yes, the Wagoneer will park itself. It will do all the steering for you. All you have to do is man the gas and brake. But I will say, it's a little tricky sometimes if you're not used to it. It's a little bit scary, especially in something like this. A little bit different, always exploring, but kind of cool to play around with. Now, your adjustment settings for your transfer case right there next to your rotary dial, and your hill descent control to the right-hand side. Four-wheel drive low, should you ever need that, right there. Now, one thing I'm gonna do right here in the center brings into our big old console. Now up top, to a USB and a USB-C there. On inside, of course, you got your instruction booklet and a whole bunch of room for activities. Now, guys, this one's available for now. Not sure how long this one's gonna be here, guys. Should be here for a while. Not sure. I don't know. I know we've got some people interested though. It is here. That is the major thing with these ones right now. Give me a call, shoot me a text, 660-492-5030, and let's get you out here.